Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Downey, and we are going to work on the sounds you can have when you have a G in a word. And you know from first grade that if you have a G in a word, you can have the G sound, like got, gum, or big. But right now I want you to think about the other sound that you can have when you have a G in a word, like these three words. And it's not the G sound, the hard G sound, it's the soft G sound. And it sounds like a J. So you can have G and it can say like the word gem, tragic, legend. So you have gem, tragic, legend. They're followed by an E or an I, and they make the J sound. So when you have a G in a word, it can have the sound like got, or it can have the sound like gem. And if you're reading a word in a story, and it's a word that you're not familiar with, you can try both of these sounds and see which one makes sense. So, for instance, if you were looking at this word and you weren't sure what it was, you could say gem. They were looking for a gem in the ground, and you'd be, that does not make sense. Try the other sound, the J sound. They were looking for a gem in the ground, and that makes sense. So that's why we go through these words with you. Two different sounds for the same letter. For your work today, you are going to do 14.1. And you'll notice at the top of this page, you have got, gum, and big. And you have gem, tragic, and legend. We would like you to read each sentence, and we want you to circle the words that have G in them and put them in the correct column. Are they making the same sound as got, or are they making the same sound as gem? The G or the J sound. So the first one says, he did a magic trick. Does the word magic, you will circle magic, and they did the first one for you as far as putting it in the column. Does it make the G sound as in got, or the J sound as in gem? So of course you know it's making the same sound as gem. So you're putting it here, magic, it's saying that J. Please finish the rest of the page, circle the words that have G, and then put them in the correct column. Thank you, boys and girls. Have a great day.